A wise man once told me, if it has tits or tires, it'll give you problems. Right now, I got problems with both. Tire's got a titty on it. So I might have a solution for that for now. I was gonna wait 2 more weeks before changing my tires. By the time you're watching this was probably 2 weeks ago. But that looks kind of hazardous, just in case. I have another set of wheels and I'm gonna see if those fit. It might look horrible. Before I bring in the car, I'm gonna give it a quick wash. Last fall, I lost my hose that I used to wash the cars. Apparently my dad found it with the snowblower. So, little cleaning advice: when you wash your car, start from the roof and work your way down to the sides. Because, especially if you're short, you're gonna reach the roof, you're gonna touch a clean car with your dirty ass self. And also, your car is much less likely to be dirty on top as opposed to the back end and especially the front bumper covered in bugs. And then always wash your wheels very last with the dirty water you just made, and use a different cloth. So next time you go to wash your car, you don't have a bunch of big scratches in it. So right now, I have a perfect opportunity to show you guys a cold start. You want to hear that? I don't want to let you down, but the car is bone stock. It ain't nothing. So I didn't immediately fall in love with those BBS style wheels I tried last time, but right now, that big old titty on my tires, I'm kind of worried about that. I'm gonna try on a set of wheels that I already have here as basically a set of spares. They're summer tires. My driveway still has snow in it. The roads are safe, but these are probably gonna be uglier than the other wheels. So let's try them on and see what you guys think. Who knows? Okay, never mind. Believe it or not, the internet gave me the wrong information. And the wheels I had for this thing don't fit. But that's not necessarily a bad thing because they're hideous. I'm pretty sure everybody would have unsubscribed from this channel if I actually put those wheels in the car. But for now, it would have been an okay solution. And they would have made a cool set of tires to put on to go maybe to the drift track and rip a couple donuts or something, or do a couple burnouts. So they don't fit. I almost plastic dipped those ugly ass wheels. I got that big bubble on the tire still, which could be a hazard, could be dangerous, but sometimes I'm a gambling man, so we'll see how many days this thing lasts. So this was a complete waste of time, but nice seeing you guys. The last video, where I was working on that video was like down to business kind of thing. I've been talking with the boys, my OG crew. You'll know who they are. So I think when it comes to serious builds like that with the other guys, we might either start a new playlist on this channel, so you can see maybe like a certain day a week we'll release them. We might just start a whole new channel, so watch out for that. Today, absolutely nothing special happened. Besides getting up 4:30 in the morning to head to the city. Doing a full 8 hours of work. My tire grew a set of knockers. The wheels I thought would fit on it don't fit on it. I need some rims for good summer tires. I'm gonna need a set of rims to keep these studded tires on after I replace that messed up one. So keep tuning in. We'll see you guys next time there's something more fun to do. I'll go looking for wheels and stuff. Stay happy. Hey, no, no.